Panjim market, vegetable market, fish market, coffee market, tea market, mobile market, all here. So let's go and see Panjim market.
Come. So this is what we call the municipal market of Mapsa. Mapsa is the name of the village. Of the town. And you know the name Mapsa has been named to signify the commercial business status of the market. Map actually in the local language of Goa means a measure, and puja is a process of filling up. Yeah. So it was called as Mapsa, and you know it's there every day, but Friday is the weekly market day over here. And why Friday was chosen? Because there was a temple here, and the main day of the deity, was Friday. So people would combine it with visit to the temple and shopping and going back home, because remember in those days transport was not very well developed. So they would combine it with the visit to the temple, the market. Now Mapsa market was also a point where there was this unofficial meeting places or arranging of marriages. Means alliances, like you would tell your friends and acquaintances, okay, I have a daughter or I have a son and all that, and they would say, okay, I know somebody who has a son, they want to get married, so next Friday at so and so time we'll meet here. And then they would sit in one of the little restaurants over chai pani as we call it, maybe discuss and all that, and after that would be like the official meeting of the bride and of the young man and the young woman. So this market was not just a marketplace. It was like a melting point of socializing, of meeting, interaction, all that sort of thing. Yeah. Now this is basically a market for veggies and groceries and shopping, but it has, as you can see, the little stalls selling everything.
Everything, yeah.
Snacks
Bread.
and odds and ends and everything. Then at the corner there, I'll show you, you'll have the local, like a local sort of place where the people would come with the local Ayurvedic medicine, the local herbal.
This black pepper, right?
No, that's not black pepper, that's Szechuan pepper.
Oh, okay.
Szechuan pepper, and inside the seed is like pepper, but the outer thing has got a very strong fragrance, a very strong aroma, and they use it mainly in all these fishy fish like sardine, mackerel, to sort of take away the smell of the fish.
To take the smell out.
Tirfal karo. You smell it, see? So when you add this in this mackerel and sardine, it takes away more of the fishy smell, and of course enhances the flavor. But if you open it, there's a hard seed inside it. When it dries up, it looks like pepper. So this is what they call the Szechuan peppers. We go this side, it goes to the bus stand over there.
Ah, okay.
I told you,
very nice
a lot of herbal medicines, no? That is the mangosteen. So this is kokum, the juice that we have, no? So they extract the juice from this mangosteen.
Yeah.
You'll normally, if you want to do it at home, you'll take this, soak it in water, and then extract the juice and mix it with water, soda, whatever, and drink it naturally. The one that we had, that was processed one. This is natural. This is tamarind. Yeah. That is the Goa rice. I told you the brown rice, no?
Yeah.
That is the Goa rice. This is millet. And this area is where a lot of the herbal medicines are, like for stomach ache, for sometimes for babies, colics, and all this. So this is all natural medicines, like root here. This is lemongrass. This is like local quinine. We drink this once a week to keep away fevers and upset stomachs and all this, like a local quinine. Yeah. Now on Fridays, all these open areas, there would be hawkers coming from villages, sitting and selling all their wares. On this side, then it becomes a little, around the corner there, it becomes an area where the people come and sell mainly chickens.
Chicken.
Live chickens. Yeah, if you want to take and rear at home, or you want to take and have, chicken shakuti of the local chicken and all that, you find it on that corner over there.
I like native chicken.
Yeah.
Wow. It's really big market here.
Yeah, it's a big market. This actually was sort of a marshy area, and it was developed as a proper market by the Portuguese just before they left. This is all the different seeds.
It's all seeds here.
Yeah.
Oh, there's two plants.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go into the bread and the this. These are all stalls further up. You see all the bangle sellers and everything.
How are you?
These are the bracelet sellers, the glass bangles and all that.
Bingles.
Yeah, bangles. And then, for brides and all, you have special, what they call like a chura, a special set of bangles to signify that they're newly married, about to marry and all that. And then the regular bangles, of course. Yeah. Come in here. No, it's not very costly. Can be about 70, 60 rupees for a set of 12 bangles and all that sort of thing, the glass ones. These are all stalls selling all cashew nuts and alcohol, as
Daru.
you can see. All alcohol.
Oh.
I mean, Goan, Feni, then the, India, what we made, foreign Goan, local made. This is the flower market over here. Like, people buy by kilos sometimes and go and make their own garlands, or you buy the garlands which are already made out here for offerings to churches, temples, or any
This much
festivity.
flowers here?
Yeah. Lots of flowers. All. This is the flower market area.
And even that
Yeah,
side?
we are going that side. We are going that side. Come. We'll come out later that way.
Okay. Rose.
Yeah, all flowers.
अभी 5 किलो का
कुछ बोला नहीं है.
मैं मारना शूटिंग
Hello.
Hello. Bore, honey? Oi. You remember I told you, this is the kokum, the homemade kokum extract of the,
Yeah.
This is homemade, this is vinegar, the palm or the toddy vinegar. The jaggery I was talking to you about, the coconut one, this is all the coconut jaggery.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
Illahadi.
Sorry.
Yeah, she'll give you a bit to taste. I buy my jaggery from her. Her jaggery is always good.
So yeah.
Yeah, you have,
Permanent.
people that you normally buy things from always. So
it's
that's
nice.
made from the toddy or the sap of the jaggery, of the coconut tree.
It's not that sweet, yeah?
No, it's not that sweet. It has a bit of a bitterish taste because when they're cooking it. So
Yeah.
the dodol and all which we had is sweetened with this. So most of the Goan desserts except bibinka is sweetened by this. Bibinka uses the actual, that is kokum.
Kokum, yeah.
Yeah. Oi, Sri Lanka thi.
Thank you for jaggery. So every day this much flowers come in?
They come in, I think, not every day. I think every few days.
Oh, this is the bread market.
Yeah. Come, I'll take you to the bread market. This is all the local bread here. the different type of local breads.
So this is the bread market.
Yeah, this is the bread. Sorry.
Different type of bread. All this one. So only this section bread, yeah?
Bread is mainly this area. So it's like that area I showed you, we have all the flowers, then we have the bread. When we go the other side, I'll show you where the the fish, the dried fish and everything else is. Okay. Okay. Do you use Indian spice?
Yeah, we have a lot in the bar.
Fine. I'll get you some special masala of this guy. 1 minute. एक पाव किलो गरम मसाला दी मसा सील को रहा ट्रैवल
पाव किलो is how?
क्वार्टर
एक किलो कितना का है?
ये
हाँ
3,400.
कितने
250. कितना रे?
Yeah, that's for you. Oh. You can use it in your stir fries and all. It's a special mixture of Goan. Very good for like meats, so chicken, vegetables. Like even if you're making cauliflower and all, no? It's very good. You can either store it in an airtight container or put it in a jar and keep it in the refrigerator, whatever you. Yeah. If you keep it outside, the container has to be really airtight, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Welcome. So these are the bangle sellers with all the different bangles that we have here, and especially the little ones, you know, the tiny ones are for, these ones are basically for kids here. These little ones are, we normally use them for infants. Do you want to go into the fish area? Because
Yes.
sometimes some people don't want to do.
Let's see Panjim fish,
Mapsa fish.
Maksa fish.
Pancham is where we were and we will go back. This is
Yeah.
Mapsa. Yeah. Go to the left, you see the potter's market, potter's area. Yeah. With all the earthenwares. Initially the cooking utensils, now a lot of them are more, you know, artistic. Now, these were the old bamboo, old type of carrying of bamboo in bamboo baskets for everything, vegetable, fish, everything. This was to sheave the rice, big ones. Of course, these are used, smaller ones are used for Hindus for rituals as such, yeah. Marriage and all. These are the incense burners.
Incense.
Yeah, to burn incense. Yeah. These are lamps they have used during Diwali festival and all that.
Sir, what do you want?
आप लोग को देखने के लिए आया.
हाँ, देखो. सब देखो. कल्चर देखो हमारे.
हैं?
Someone's calling. Calling.
आपका गोवन मस्त है.
हमारा उधर नहीं.
श्रीलंका.
श्रीलंका ने पॉटरीज ने
हैं?
श्रीलंका में ऐसा मट्टी का.
हे.
अरे देखा था. YouTube में देखा था.
हाँ, श्रीलंका में है. अभी हम लोग को पूरा मार्केट में जाके देखता है गोवा में क्या है करके.
खाना भी पका.
हाँ.
लेकिन वो सेपरेट रूम बना था उसमें. ये तो लाइट में क्या होता है, अंदर होता है दीवार.
करेक्ट.
वो बाहर.
हाँ.
लाइट का बाहर.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Like just like back home, all the different. This is like, you know, when the pans are hot to keep the this. Yeah.
I want to buy cardamom.
Okay. We'll go back to where we were
No.
later.
Yeah, I believe there are 3 different qualities
Yeah.
between 1,000 to
We'll
3,000
go to the
range.
shop where we were.
Yeah,
Where I bought the masala
I asked
because
them.
he's yeah.
I asked them
Uh.
He said 3,500. I want to buy the
Low.
first grade
Okay.
quality.
Okay, fine. How much you wanted?
1,000.
Okay. No, means quantity.
Maybe 2 kilos.
Okay. Yeah, fine. ये cardamom का है हाँ?
Cardamom 10 grams 50 rupees.
किलो
किलो 350. 3,500 रुपये बढ़ले. बाकी 2,800.
Oh. The big one is 3,500. The small one is 2,000.
Small is 2,000.
Yeah, 2,500. Yeah.
Interesting.
ask
Then
somewhere
who
else.
told her?
Uh,
Who told
but
her?
you know, see, a lot of the in Kerala also it comes from there. So maybe they brought it over there or in Mumbai.
You think Mumbai we can get cheaper?
Maybe I don't really know.
So this is the basic marketplace, right?
This is the normal marketplace for us in Goa.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll still ask this guy how much he's saying a kilo, the cardamom. Velchi koshe kilo, right? Okay.
How much?
3,800.
Okay.
Wait, let me ask the company where y'all are going tomorrow to the spice farm, and then I will ask him. Then I'll call the spice farm and ask them what is their price,
Yeah.
and then accordingly.
cardamom कितना का है?
100 ग्राम 400.
1 किलो कितना का है?
1 किलो चाहिए तो आपको 3,400 बैठेगा. 1 किलो
2 किलो लिएगा तो?
वही रेट बैठेगा. 3,400.
Let me just find out.
मेरे को
Hello?
2 किलो चाहिए.
Priti, Falande, which spice garden are they going to? Okay, Nandan one. Okay, fine. Okay. Yeah.
कार्डमन कितना का है? कार्डमन
Kilo.
किलो 3,500 रुपये.
100 ग्राम 350. ओके.
हाँ ये मंडी का आता है.
It's okay.
So this is where the meats are. You can see the beef on your right. On your right,
Ah, okay.
the beef stalls.
Okay. So I thought, yeah, we going to fish section.
Yeah, we are going to the fish area. Then we will.
Give me a second.
Okay, okay.
कार्डमन कितना का है? 100 ग्राम कितना का है? 350. इतना छोटा वाला का एक
तो बड़ा थोड़ा महंगा है.
वो कितना का है?
वो 100 ग्राम से तो 450. बड़ा से एकदम.
ये 1 किलो कितना में दिएगा?
कौन सा वाला?
ये वाला
1 किलो चाहिए तो 3,300 पड़ेगा. एकदम अच्छा क्वालिटी वाला. ये मकसद ये भी है.
How much is he saying?
हाँ?
How much is he saying?
2 किलो
It
चाहिए.
doesn't look very good to me.
ये वाला चाहिए, ये वाला चाहिए.
Doesn't look very good to me.
मोटी भी है भाई. कोई बिग साइज है ओनली.
This is okay, but this doesn't look good.
दिस फुल सीट फुल है.
Kosher there?
ये 4,500 किलो पटेल है.
4.5. Not worth it.
कितने जाते को किलो चाहे ज़्यादा चाहे तो कम पड़ेगा आपको. हाउ मच यू वांट? एडम
2 किलो कितना में दिएगा?
4,000 किलो. लेते एकदम लेके गया याद करेंगे.
Will.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मेरे को नहीं, दूसरा किसी को, तो उसका प्राइस मेरे को फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. नहीं, अच्छा तुम लास्ट में कितना में दिएगा बताओ? लास्ट में कितना में दिएगा? 2,500? 2,500? नहीं, ये एक्चुअली क्या था, मेरा कोई कॉल किया, बोला ये प्राइस में लेके आओ करके.
किधर से कॉल किया?
मेरा एक दोस्त कॉल किया है.
That's what I told you, no? That rate will be in Kerala because a lot of these are coming from there.
पॉसिबल.
Because Kerala is the wholesale market for India. A lot of the export of cardamom, no, from India is cardamom, then turmeric and all. Yeah, this is all dried fish.
Dried fish.
Yeah.
But how come, someone told her 1,000?
It impossible. It cannot be 1,000.
Impossible.
I don't believe that it is 1,000. It won't be 1,000. Even in Kerala, if the price here is say 4,000 for the best, the minimum it can be will be about 3,000.
Yeah.
If it is 4,500 here, minimum in Kerala would be 3,000 for the good
Correct.
quality.
Yeah,
I
आपका-
don't believe.
आपका favorite
This is
है.
the pork. That is the shop we buy pork from, the middle one.
Okay.
Like, everybody has their own favorite people, no?
Correct.
Yeah, so like that. Yeah. These are the Goa sausages that they make. I was asking you yesterday, no? With
Okay.
actual pork in it, but dried and salted. Let's go into the fish market.
Yeah.
You buy some, and in Bombay, you see how much it is. Wait, I'll just find out.
This is the fish market. It's fish market, no? Going to fish market.
The people buy the fish and get it cleaned and cut out here.
Okay.
मुझे
गोवा fish market.
नहीं चाहिए कोई मेरा दोस्त आने उसको वो गोवा से बॉम्बे आने वाला है उसको बाहर लेके जाना है तो मुझे ऐसा कंपेयर करना था हाँ ओके चल बाय This is all the different fishes. That is baby sole there.
It's all fresh here.
Very baby sole. This is baby sardine here.
Yeah, this is my favorite.
Catfish. And this is a local variety of herring. That is what they call the haddock, a mackerel family, but a different type. That is the black pomfret.
Huh?
You had white pomfret, right?
Yeah.
That is the black pomfret. We call it halwa.
Yeah, we
That one
also
over there.
that also one of
Yeah.
our favorite.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that more than the white pomfret.
And also this is small one.
Yeah, sardine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Shark. These are oysters.
Okay.
Squids.
Shells.
No, it's okay. Fine. It's all right. Don't worry. It's fine. Come, let's go out.
So this is the perfect selling point. This one, yeah.
Exactly.
People
That's why
come
they
with
stay
fish.
here. Because you buy your fish and whatever, then you can come and pick up
Yeah.
and carry on. It's not used in all type of fishes, mainly the strong fishes, smell fishes.
Yeah. And I think this market very fast moving. Yeah.
Yeah, it is fast moving. If you had come on Friday, it would be even busier. Because
okay.
that's the time when the rural hawkers come once a week with all their wares. So in the open areas where we were walking now, where the stalls are, they'll all be sitting and selling their stuff. Yeah.
So when we go to Sri Lankan fish market, we can see 200 kilos, 300 kilos big fishes. But here I didn't saw
Here, you know why? Because the big fish are not sold here. The big fish, if you want, you go directly to the wholesale market. Because a lot of the big fish is either taken by packaging companies or hotels. Locals, all prefer small fish.
Okay.
So that is why you will have only a smaller variety of fishes in the local market. The big fish, you have to go to the wholesale market where the boats come off, and that's where you will get the real big ones. That's sweet potato.
Sweet potato. It's very fresh, no?
Yeah, yeah.
When you just remove, wash and eat,
Yeah. Oh, that's
will really-
something different.
absolutely, yeah.
Be careful, huh?
Yeah.
Peanuts.
Fresh.
Yeah. This is the area where they will, that side they will roast, this peanuts and grams and chanas as we call them. And the
okay.
selling outlet is on the other side.
Or roasting this side and
this
selling on
side
other
is
side.
roasting, that side is the selling bit.
Hmm. This fruit sold very fresh, you know.
Yeah.
I want to just give a try one more time to buy
Sorry?
some cardamom.
Yeah, let's try.
Yeah.
No worries at all. Let's try.
If cardamom here, selling price, let's say the basic one 3,300 was the lowest we got, right?
Yeah.
And I don't think in Kerala we can get less than 2.5.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It will not now. When is this gentleman talking about the price of the spice? A year ago, 2 years ago? That
10
also
years
different.
ago.
Then forget it. 10 years ago, then it will never
We
be the
never
same.
know,
no?
right?
It will never be the same
Yeah.
because every year it appreciates by maybe 100 or few hundred, whatever.
Correct.
And this is the proper market. It's not like what do you call a spice store. This is like an open market.
And with good competition, right?
Yeah. Sorry.
With good competition, many
Yeah,
vendors.
exactly.
How many vendors were selling
Yeah.
cardamom?
बिरयानी पे आया है आज उसकी बिरयानी खाएगा। हेलो भाई, इधर भी बना दो यार भाई पुलाव।
क्या ले आप? Let's go to other side. There were one guy little flexible.
Yeah, let's go. Let's
Yeah.
go. It will be the next lane.
Next lane, right?
Yeah.
कितना करेगा लास्ट? 2 किलो लिएगा। 2.5 में दिएगा। 2.5 में दिएगा 2 किलो। 2.5 में दिएगा 2 किलो।
3-1 मेरा खरीदी हो, 100 रुपये ले रहा हूँ। मैम, देखो, इलायची देखो ना सर,
हाँ?
इलायची देखो बोल रहा हूँ, क्वालिटी भी रहता है।
What do you recommend?
मार्केट में 5 में किधर भी नहीं मिलेगा। 3-1 मेरा खरीदी हो, 3-2
How much? How are you? Hello. कितना का है?
in hand, not take this one in hand.
इसको दे मेरे को तो दो
अरे ये
पीस।
सब पूरा दे दो।
ये बहुत हेवी होएगा।
अरे बस देखो सब कुछ देखो। If you take how much you want? 1 kilo you want?
कितना का है 1 किलो?
If you take 1 kilo, 700 rupees. If you take 100 gram,
Okay.
400 rupees. 8 mm it is a bigger one. Not a small one. Nothing mixed.
3,700.
Yes. So if you take 1 kilo,
Hmm.
if you take less, then you have to pay me
अगर 2 किलो लिएगा तो
2 किलो लेगा तो वही प्राइस, मैंने आपको होलसेल प्राइस दिया।
Looks big, looks nice, but I don't know what is the.
इसके बाद में ये 8 mm है, एक भी दाना मिक्स नहीं।
तो 100% एग्री, टेस्ट भी अच्छा है।
How much you like to pay? अभी देखता है तुम्हारा,
3000 दिएगा।
मेरे को तो लाके जो मैं लेता
मेरे को क्या बोला मालूम में,
है।
गोवा में 1050 में मिलेगा, मेरे को 2 किलो लेके आओ।
कौन बोला वो तब वो राहुल गांधी ये था ना इसका, ये तब अभी मोदी का जमाना है ये।
अगर कम से कम इससे छोटा वाला कोई कम प्राइस में मिलेगा किधर?
छोटा वाला मिलेगा,
किधर मिलेगा?
800 में भी मिलेगा।
किधर?
अभी मांगता है तो मैं ला के देता है।
ले
एक मिनट पहला रेट पूछता है क्या, कितना बारीक वाला ना चलेगा ना?
हाँ,
एकदम बारीक है ना कम रहेगा, फिर मीडियम है से थोड़ा ज्यादा, और ये थर्ड रहेगा रेट।
तो उसका कुछ पीस कम से कम कुछ देख सकता है क्या?
हाँ
कुछ देख सकता है, 1-2 पीस?
आएगा घर पे कट करके लाके देगा। मैं तुमको पहले बोला रेट बोलता हूँ।
पूछ उसका प्राइस पहले, पूछो उसका प्राइस पहले। कार्डमन कितना का है?
नहीं, incense नहीं, incense. The big chunks, the smaller
प्राइस पर
ones.
छोटा एकदम कम वाला कितना का है?
एकदम कम, फिर उसमें दाना नहीं रहेगा।
और दूसरा नीचे वाला,
कितना का है वो?
और तीसरा
ये साइज आएगा,
ये कितना का है?
ये अभी 1 किलो है। ये आपको पड़ेगा
कितले म्हणतात तो? ते ताका न्ही ते त्यानी कोणाक सांगला तो जाल्यार तो आपूण घेतलो लोक त्यानी कोणाक जाय?
हाँ?
ये रेट बोल रहा है कि नहीं? ये फाइनल रेट है। चाहिए तो फिर रेट चेक करो, फिर आके लो।
खंय आहा तो? ओ
कम लो।
दिस इज 1 किलो।
दूसरा दिखाओ।
दूसरा मीन्स इससे बड़ा।
हाँ,
हेलो सर, गुड मॉर्निंग।
ये कितना का है?
looks good.
हाँ, रेट कम देता हूँ पहले, देखते हैं।
This is the
ये
big
क्या है?
all incense.
सब इंसेंस है सर,
खा सकता है?
No, don't eat.
ये जलाने वाला है।
It's for
अच्छा।
puja prayer, all that. That is dried ginger.
हाँ,
You know,
ओके।
you get headaches and all that. You make a paste of it and apply.
बस 8 mm दिया था, क्या रेट था वो?
Paste with what?
Water, warm water. When I get headache and all, that is what I do. But now you get ginger powder, no? So there's no need to rub this. I mean, rubbing this is the best. But great. No, rub with water. Make up like a paste and a poultice and just apply. 3-4.
फाइनल रेट हमको देखो किलो ले
They're different people, so that's why he's not telling. He's only telling so that he doesn't hear. You have to.
अगर फिर वो कम लोगे तो 100 ग्राम 450, 500, 100 ग्राम का ही किलो का रेट अलग आएगा डायरेक्ट। और कुछ चाहिए
This
तो
is like
सबको
as
किलो का
big
रेट
as
अलग
that one, which you were saying 3-7.
This one is good.
Yeah, this one, but its size is as big as that one, if you notice it. And he's saying 3-4. You were
Yeah.
saying 3-7.
एंड दूसरा दे, ये वाला दे।
Chota, yeah, the barik. This is good. This is the one I use.
इसको दे 3 में।
Maybe this is the one she's talking about.
2 लिएगा तेरे?
मार्केट में ले इधर भी ले लो,
नहीं, तेरे
It's
से
okay.
2 लिएगा।
Follow, sorry.
2।
Maybe. It's
कितना
okay.
भी लो सर। इसमें भाड़ा वगैरह के 350 रुपीज मेरा प्रॉफिट है ऊपर का।
Let's take this one.
How much
Maybe
is
this
it?
is the one that she's talking
3,100.
Yeah, it's good enough. This is good enough.
वो चाहिए और
हाँ। कैशू कितना का है?
जो इमेज पे देख भेजा मुझे, क्या रेट का वो? अभी का अभी जो है हाँ 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 ठीक है, मेरे को ऐसा और एक पैकेट दे, और 2 पैकेट दे, अभी इसके पैकेट देता हूँ। हाँ और 2 पैकेट दे, और इसके पैसे अभी देता हूँ।
ये टाइट हमारे बाबा
नहीं चाहिए, ये वाला चाहिए। अभी अभी जो चाहिए
पाव खिलाने हल्दी पाउडर
जरा जल्दी देख दे मेरा।
ये टाइट हमारे बाबा ओपन जाना है हमारे
ना ना सील
बिकॉज दे हैव टू कैरी इट दैट इज व्हाई
जरा सील करता हुआ है
और-
गरम झालेगा तर या
ना.
ओपन ना दे अंगडी
ओपन ना नाही
ओपन हा जरा बाहेर
तसे नाही बिकॉज दे हैव टू कैरी इट दैट इज व्हाई
नहीं नहीं ये मंगाया तो है जरा भाई लेके जाइए। बड़ा वाला है
ये किधर का है?
केरला से है।
आई टोल्ड यू नो
जो सिनेमा आता है ना उसको पेपर रोल बोलते हैं।
किधर का?
श्रीलंका का
हाँ
उसका टेस्ट अलग है।
करेक्ट।
वो मैं पहले ले गया था 2 साल पहले, उसका उस टाइम पे कॉस्ट 1500 पर जगह पे खरीदी थी। आज उसका के 2500 जगह पे उसका रोल अलग ही आता है।
करेक्ट।
अब ये ऐसा है ना, अब ऐसा दबाओगे ना ये पूरा टूट जाएगा।
मेरे को मालूम है क्योंकि ये मेरा घर पे था पहले। ये प्लांटेशन मेरा खुद का था, मेरा बाप का।
ये जो ऐसा है ना तो ऐसा रहेगा ना दालचीनी, इसके अंदर ऐसा रहेगा। ये पूरा पेपर रोल ऐसा
करेक्ट।
इतना बड़ा
ये बरे हो ये बरे ये आमच्या
No.
गावठी नाही
ये जो रहता है ये पहले से यही चलता है।
वो एक्चुअली कुछ काम का है नहीं।
पहले
ये दिस इज द रियल सिनेमन।
देखिए सिनेमन कैसा रहता है, ये फर्स्ट क्वालिटी यानी पहले आता था ना
It's the skin, yeah?
स्टार्टिंग
या
में यही
या
चलता था।
या
अच्छा।
बाद में ये स्टार्ट हो गया।
that processing because that is how it is harvested naturally in
No,
the
no.
beginnings here
दिस इज द
I know,
herbal kind
understood.
of
I
one.
know understood yeah
दिस इज द herbal kind of
ये जो
one.
श्रीलंका में
So-
जाके देखने लगा ना इस टाइप में सिनेमा श्रीलंका में ज़्यादा होता है।
करेक्ट
उसको वो लोग क्या करता है, इसके ऊपर का उड़ा देता है,
करेक्ट।
उसको छील देता है, कच्चा रहता है उसी टाइम पे छील के उसको सुखा देता है धूप में, एक मेघ डाल के
वो दूध में नहीं सुखाता है,
सूख जाता है ना अपने आप
वो दूध में नहीं, वो एक्चुअली इट शुड बी
in the shade
शेड।
शेड में। मतलब
अगर
वही,
दूध
कलर-
में ड्राई होएगा ना
काला
तो
पड़
क्वालिटी खराब होएगा। अच्छा किधर है?
ये इधर ही और एक मंगा रहा है।
he's getting it he doesn't have another one just wait for
अच्छा तब तक हमको स्टोरी सुनाता
हाँ,
है।
तो
ये
बोल
क्या
दो
है?
ना, स्टोरी बोल
all same all incense
इंसेंस
All incense.
कैसू चाहिए ना आपको तो अंदर दुकान में,
कितना का है वो?
तो आप जैसा क्वालिटी लेगा वैसा है। स्टार्टिंग 800 से है, अभी उसमें आप वैरायटी देख, हर एक ब्रांड का अलग 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 रेट है।
स्टार्टिंग 800 से है।
क्वालिटी अच्छा लोगे तो फिर वो कम रेंज में जाओगे तो फिर मज़ा नहीं आएगा। कम रेंज में जाओगे ना
there he's got it
होल्ड इट।
ठीक है तो बैग डाल देता हूँ। ये क्या बोला क्या और जिला
6.5 ना? अभी हमको गरीब हो गया। अभी तक हम अमीर था।
और एक चाहिए तो ले लो।
नहीं नहीं
अभी तुम ये तो 100 रुपया कम नहीं करता है।
2 रुपया जो रेट कोई देगा नहीं आपको वो रेट मैं दिया हूँ सर।
चलेगा, मुश्किल नहीं रखो, चलेगा। हाँ तुमने बहुत मेहरबानी किया ना, थैंक यू वेरी मच। एक्चुअली आई शुड हैव पिक वन कोकोनट फ्रॉम हिम। वो कोकोनट में एक
Dry
ले लूँ,
coconut?
वो कितना का होता है? नहीं नॉर्मली कितना? आई एम आस्किंग द प्राइस। 50 60?
100 के 60 रुपीज़ है, आप देख के ले लो।
आनंद
अच्छा वाला निकल, अच्छा वाला निकल।
morning
नहीं, मेरे
yeah
को एक छोटा वाला चाहिए, मैं खाएगा।
नारे बाबा किराक रे
कभी अच्छा नहीं निकलता है।
इट्स अ कोकोनट यू टू ईट।
let me see
इट्स फ्रेश। नो नो वाटर। सही है,
okay from where
और काटो
नहीं चलेगा दे।
okay yeah I'll find out and let you know
थैंक यू वेरी
I'll
मच।
see what I can do yeah bye
From this one they make oil, copra. Now it's become little dry, right? and it gives different taste.
The dry one.
Huh?
You eat the dry one.
We don't
Hello.
eat.
Hello.
I mean, why you eating it?
Good afternoon. I go by the Caesar by Korpasa of Falate. He son. From where it is? Sorry?
It's super rainy, battery is going down, so bye from now. See you from the next point.
And you know
Koppara.
what has happened is Caesar is not well. In the sense he's got some
Why with
appointment.
Koppara?
So I'll have to put somebody else tomorrow.